Are you smiling? Happy to have bunked study hours, right? It would be even great if it lasted a whole day. No? A whole week? No? What is this? No ma'am, yes ma'am. So you're only scared of Madhu sir. Otherwise, given a chance, entire year is an enjoyment year only, no? I know, because I would do the same. No, I would definitely do the same. I would always want to have fun only, no? Who wants to have serious life? All the seriousness we put in today is to enjoy our lives later, no? Isn't that why we work hard? Okay, anyways, looks like you have a very long list of talent to showcase today, right? I was very pleasantly surprised of the two performers here today. The girl, you have a very beautiful voice, and what is your name? Satakshi. Shrestha, you have a very beautiful voice, and the dancer as well, very graceful. And I'm very happy that such a talent has joined our institution, and hope to see your talent grow beyond leaps and bounds, and hope this institute helps you find your groove. So, what? Yes ma'am, no ma'am, okay ma'am. Be there only, do that only. Okay, looks like our institution has opened the curtains to a new trend. I heard juniors are ragging seniors. No! I felt immensely proud that, we're such a forward people. You're not? I heard juniors are calling the shots. They're deciding where seniors have to sleep, when seniors have to get study hours, what menu seniors have to eat. Such an empowering moment. What, seniors? No ma'am. Seniors are still going strong. You are ragging them. You keep on telling yes ma'am, no ma'am. I'll find my answer in that. But anyways, have a exciting year ahead. All the very best for the seniors. I wish I see many rankers here, and may all your dreams and wishes be fulfilled, and may you be the role models to your freshers. And you freshers, you're embarking on a very important journey, and may this be a very good kickstart. May you have fun, and you have fun learning as well, and you passionately learn too. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful night.
It's nice to be in front of you, and I think the breeze is good, the environment is good, the vibe is good. So I hope all of you are having a good time right now. Missing your study hours is always a good time. Yes or no? No? What did you say? No sir, I know you are missing your studies right now. Okay. So for the juniors, the freshers, there is one thing that you should learn from your seniors, that you should there is nothing to learn from them. Just kidding, they have a lot to teach you. Their journey has been something of a roller coaster, and hopefully you will get something from their experience. The basic reason was they did not have any seniors with them, but right now you have your seniors who can aid you, who can guide you and help you with studies and other things. One thing I would like to tell you, this journey is really going to be an interesting one, in not just in sense of studies only. You will make so many of the friends, so many things you will do in your life, and the most important thing that you have to do is to be uncomfortable first, to be comfortable after 2 years. So I hope this is all from my side, and I do not want to bore you with this, or if you would like to listen more, I do not have any subject lecture to deliver right now. So that's all from my side, and have a happy time ahead. All the best, God bless you.
Good evening. I think all of you are in joyful mood, right? So I think no one is interested to take a boring lecture, chemistry lecture, right? So I'm not going to do anything like that, okay? And this day is yours, okay? The time is yours, right? So make use of this time, okay? Enjoy to your fullest extent, right? And I do welcome all the juniors to the world of competition, right? We have got a very excellent team here. So we will be supporting you throughout your competitive world journey, okay? Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now,
Hello. Good evening to one and all. Okay, you are enjoying so much in this evening. Very fine. And same enjoyment like you feel your academics later. It is on your shoulders. Don't forget it and don't remind it again and again. Keep on mind and go ahead for the task. Why? Because you are so much enjoying. I'm looking in your faces. So you please feel your responsibilities after this occasion. Okay? This is only one word from my side. Okay, thank you team, one and all. Thank you.
okay, now silent. Oh my. So, चलो हम हिंदी से ही शुरू करते हैं, ठीक है? क्योंकि सबको पता है डेली So you know Hindi now? No, yes. Okay, so you know आज हम हिंदी में बात करते हैं. कुछ तो अलग हो जाए ना, क्योंकि सब इंग्लिश. तो मुझे लगता है किसी को तो कुछ अलग करना पड़ेगा ना. So how are you? 11th class now. I don't know what I'm saying. So welcome you all guys. And all the best in these 2 years. You have to continue your smile and with hard work. Okay, bye.
A very good evening, guys. Freshers, I believe, is one-off event. It's almost like going to class 12, once a week, one class, right? It reminds me of my school days, college days. The first time I went to college, it kind of gives you butterflies in your stomach. Whom to meet, what are the people, and I believe you all are super excited for the dances and all. You don't need a boring lecturer right now. Definitely. So wish you guys all the very best. Make sure you do your best in these 2 years. And in case, if I can make one fellow study English in future from here, I would be damn lucky. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Respected colleagues and my dear students, good evening all of you. And first of all, I would like to wish you a wonderful Freshers' Day that we are going to receive from your seniors. Even even yesterday also, hope you are aware, though your study hours, so many years will be beside. Okay, how long they are celebrating for boys, for us even to balance. Boys 2 hours celebrate this, మాకు 2 hours కావాలి, 2.5 hours కావాలి. ఇవన్నీ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ కూడా వేసుకున్నారు. Okay, on this occasion, even yesterday, today you could see so many faculty members have gathered because yesterday was Sunday. Entire event, you could notice all the faculty members, they are from different parts of country. Okay. With the guidance of all your teachers, the blessings of your parents, even I hope even God also may shower blessings on everybody to reach different heights in your life. I wish you all the best for the juniors and I wish you all the best for seniors also. Even to have a very good farewell from juniors and even I hope with the blessings of God they may reach different heights, they may produce different ranks, good ranks in JE and JE especially. And I hope everyone will bring laurels to our campus with a good results. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Now let's welcome our Virat sir to greet us.
Good evening, everyone. I think the weather is supporting your enthusiasm today. So I will not take much of your time because this is your day today. Rest of the day is ours because rest of the day we are going to lecture you every day. But today I think you have to enjoy this day as much as you can. And also what I want to say, see, I hope everyone is coming with some determination that you want to do something 11th and 12th. Right? What will happen that you will find it difficult at mid of the time or you will not find it easy. Right? So my suggestion to the 11th class would be that whatever it is, right, try to find fun part also in what you do because life goes on. But what is constant in life is the problems, right? Nobody can say that their problems are gone, right? Even if you talk about any successful man also, they have their own problem. So everyone has their problem, but the people who be happy, the people who remain happy, who try to find some kind of fun in every part of their life. So I hope you will enjoy your next 2 years. It is going to be a wonderful journey for you. Thank you and all the best.
This is not a physics class to talk more. So that's why thanks for everybody to invite me here. And good evening everybody. This is the time to enjoy. Before that, all the best for juniors as well as seniors. So once again, this is the time to enjoy. So no touch, no words, enjoy. That's all. Thank you.